Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stretch out tight socks. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see, I have a sock right here, and this sock is not tight for me, but if it was tight, I'm going to tell you exactly what I would do to stretch out a sock or multiple socks that are too tight, okay? So it's very, very simple. What you want to do is wash the socks in cold water, okay? So basically, when you wash something in hot water, okay, the socks are going to be, or the article of clothing, whatever you wash in hot water, is going to be more likely to sort of be constricted and more likely to shrink. We want to avoid that. We want to stretch them out, so wash them in cold water, okay? It will prevent them from shrinking down. So wash the socks in cold water, okay? When you take them out of your washing machine, they're going to still be damp, okay? What you want to do in an ideal situation is stretch them out when they're still wet, when they're still damp. So depending on how the socks are too tight, that's the direction that you're going to stretch them. If the socks are too short, you stretch them to lengthen them, okay? If the socks are too tight in this way, like the band, you're going to stretch it like this. If the socks are too tight on your actual foot, you're going to stretch them like this. Very simple, okay? Like that. So whatever way the socks are too tight, you're going to stretch them in that direction to stretch them out. So you're doing this when they are wet, after they have been washed with cold water, okay? And once they come out of the washer, they're not going to be soaking wet, they're going to be damp. So when they are damp, after they have been washed with cold water, you're going to be stretching them, okay? Very simple. And then, ideally, you want to let them dry by air drying. Very simple, okay? You want to let them air dry. Okay, that's the ideal option. If you have to put them in the dryer, then put them on the lowest heat setting possible, because heat will make them shrink. We want to avoid that. We want to stretch them out, okay, because they're too tight. We want to stretch them out. So keep them on the lowest heat setting possible. Literally, whatever the lowest heat setting possible for the dryer is, you want to keep them on that lowest heat setting possible. And that's basically it. You know, they should stretch out. Now, you're only going to get a little bit of stretch. You're not going to be able to stretch them massively, but you will be able to stretch them a little bit because there is an elasticity to the socks. So you will be able to stretch those fibers a decent amount. So just to recap the process, I'm going to make it very simple as a very simplistic summary. What you want to do, okay, and I'll basically go through the ideal situation, and then, you know, if you have to like put them in the dryer, I'll go over you got to put them in the dryer. It's less ideal, but I'll go over what you can do if you have to put them in the dryer. So as a final summary, just to make it super simple to remember, okay, if you want to get your socks and you want to stretch them out because they're too tight, you're going to wash them in cold water. Okay, you're going to remove them from the washer. They're going to be damp. You're going to stretch them out in the way that makes sense for however they are, you know, too tight. You're going to stretch them out in a way that makes sense. And then ideally, you're going to let them air dry. Okay, but if you have to put them in the dryer, use the lowest heat setting that you can possibly use in that dryer. And that's it. You should be able to stretch them out a decent amount because they're very elastic-like. And yeah, you should be able to stretch them out, and hopefully they won't be too tight anymore. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.